This old man?
This is my old man. I work with him. We do breakfast together. He's called Olaimerri.
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 Habari.
Mzuri. Habari yako?
Ni Sayedi.
Baba, Emma, enkarna doke gere kilikuwa na joke kijido duongai.
Olaimerri.
Yes, he's telling you his name, Olaimerri.
Olaimerri.
Olaimerri, yeah. Which is an age group that is quite old people. He's about 78.
That is so. You were really playing that part.
He's saying where he comes from.
Oh, where does it come
from? A place called Nkutuki Ondieng.
What?
Nkutuki Ondieng.
And that's here in this country.
Nkutuki is the mouth and the dogs, yeah. So it's a place which is really far. Nobody really understands where it is. So.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, so how long have you been playing an old person?
Erejo, Canada, where Murua.
Maybe.
Don't know, but he's saying that he'll also get old like him. Yeah, at some point.
Lakini sasa wewe kama mzee hivi mbona unataka kuwa msichana mdogo wa miaka 12 ama 11?
Shauri.
Ndio ngodia na rejo. Ereja na ejo dura tasadi la ejo yene tona baka ya mendo yego tete kainyo.
Nataka no muse.
Do you want me to marry an old one?
Nataka uoe mzee kama wewe.
Meisha.
Meisha.
There is one thing they know.
I want them to become better people, to serve the society. So it's slowly fading away. And I think it's a good thing when we have the good